So friend, Samsung has been using the same 12 megapixel camera for the front-facing shooter since the Galaxy S23 series and will continue to do so. Recent reports revealed that the Galaxy S25 Edge will also get the S5K 3LU sensor, which also known as ISO Cell 3LU, and this information adds to previous rumors that Samsung will implement the 200 megapixel main camera in the Galaxy S25 Ultra and Galaxy G Fold SE. And Samsung is a company that doesn't like to change a lot from one generation to another, and the camera situation is no different. The Galaxy S25 Edge with its S5K3LU sensor will join a lineup consisting of the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, Galaxy S23 Ultra, Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, Galaxy S24 Ultra, Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And the sensor itself is a 1x3.2 inch type, and it offers dual pixel autofocus, dual pixel RGB pattern and 4K at the rate 60 fps and 1080p at the rate 120 fps video recording. And we have received all the phones mentioned above and found the selfie photos to be well exposed and with natural screen tones and excellent colors, and this should remain valid for the Galaxy S25 Edge, which is expected to run the Snapdragon 8 Elite for the Galaxy chipset. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.